What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to talk about converting a video into an mp3 file or just an audio file. So I'm just going to open the file or the video that we're going to extract the audio. So this is the file. So I'm much interested with the audio, then so I want to extract the audio for my own purposes. And in order to achieve that, I'm going to use the VLC application. I already have it installed. If you don't have it, you need to install it. And I have a separate video on how to go about it. So on your bottom left corner of your screen, there is a search bar. Just go to it and then type in VLC. The application will pop up, then just click on it. So this is how the application looks like. At the top left of the that application, you'll be able to see this media tab. Click on the media tab, and then there is this convert stroke save. Click on that. So under the file selection, there is this on the right hand side, you will see the add button. Click on that. So you're going to navigate to where you have your video. So click on the video and then open. So at the bottom, click convert stroke save, and then it's going to open this kind of a window. And then under settings, there is convert, and then we're going to choose the file, the kind of file that we want the kind of file that we want to convert your video into. So there is a lot more of different types of files. So I'm more interested with the mp3, and that's right here. Click on mp3, and we're going to choose the destination. Where do you want to store your file? So click on the browse button so that you can choose the folder or the destination of your audio file. So I'm going to find the desktop. There is this audio folder. I want it stored here, and I'm going to give it a name, something like, say, something like music audio, like so. And automatically you see that the save as type is already selected as .mp3. So click on save, then click start, and immediately you'll see the process of initiated, and the process is over. So I'm going to navigate. Let me close this application. I'm going to navigate to where I have saved the converted audio file. So here it is. If I click on it, and so that's how you can use a VLC application to convert video file into an audio file. With that being said, I think that's the end of this video. See you in the next one.